Genius Bank has made its mark in the personal loan space by focusing on simplicity, transparency, and affordability, which is pretty refreshing in a market that's often bogged down with hidden fees and confusing terms. The core appeal is pretty clear. Genius Bank personal loans come with absolutely no fees of any kind. There are no origination fees, no prepayment penalties, and not even late fees for anyone who's ever gotten stuck with an unexpected charge or felt penalized just for trying to pay off debt early. This clean structure can be a huge relief and really lowers the stress of borrowing money. Interest rates with Genius Bank are competitive, starting at 8.99% APR and going up to 23.49%. While the absolute lowest rates may not always go toe-to-toe with some larger traditional banks for those with excellent credit, their maximum APR is still reasonable, making these loans accessible for a broader range of credit profiles, including people with fair credit. The process is all online, with eligibility extended nationwide except in Hawaii, Nevada, or Wisconsin. Loans range from $5,000 to $50,000, and the flexibility in repayment terms from 36 up to 72 months means folks can stretch out payments for monthly budget comfort or pay it down faster if they're able. One particularly useful feature is the ability to check your rate without impacting your credit score, so potential borrowers can get an idea of their terms before making any commitments. After accepting a loan offer, funds are available as soon as the next business day, which is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with a surprise expense or trying to consolidate high-interest credit card debt before another bill hits. There's also an extra perk, a 0.25% discount on your rate just for signing up for autopay, which automatically helps keep interest costs down. The digital experience is a major theme with Genius Bank. Everything from checking balances to making payments can be handled right in their mobile app, and there's 24/7 customer service if questions pop up. That said, it's important to know that you can apply for a Genius Bank personal loan directly through their website or app. Applications have to go through marketplaces like Credit Karma or Lending Tree. This adds an extra step and might not be as seamless as some would hope. Also, the minimum loan amount sits at $5,000, which can be a barrier for anyone just looking to borrow a small sum for a minor emergency or short-term need. On the downside, Genius Bank is still a new player in the lending world, only launching their personal loans in 2023. That means less long-term customer feedback to rely on, though early users highlight some mixed experiences with customer support. Since the service operates entirely online, there are no physical branches, so everyone needs to be comfortable managing everything digitally. Also, joint applications aren't available, limiting options for couples or co-borrowers looking to combine their financial strength for a bigger loan or better terms. In summary, Genius Bank's personal loan offering is especially appealing to anyone tired of getting nickel and dimed by traditional lenders and looking for clear, fixed monthly payments with solid interest rates. Fast access to funds, no sneaky fees, and flexible payment terms all add up to a borrower-friendly product, especially for consolidating debt or handling major purchases. However, the lack of a direct application process, some state restrictions, and the bank's short track record introduce a few risks. As with any financial decision, it's smart to compare options and make sure that the structure fits personal needs and comfort levels before moving forward.